Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create in radial circular form of beam. Actually, past video I have discussed how to join 8 beam, linear beam, graphical method. It's a very easy to straightforward member creation, but today I will discuss about curve form member generation. So when we start from this here, go to new page, add space and apply the millimeter here and kilogram force and OK, yes and OK. Add beam and go to finish. So first of all, front plane, I have selection front plane. Then if you make this any diagram here, so first of all make the line and joint, and also select this line and joint. If you click this here, so when you again click this here, so it is joint has been complete. Okay, then exit. Right now this is here a simple sketch has been created. Then next go how to create the curve form of sketch. So before calculate the dimension here, when you check the dimension this point to this point, how much dimension, so this is 1828 between this dimension. So when again go to here, so when you apply here, so now select this again new diagram. So when you go to file and new page, then same procedure we will follow here, millimeter, kilogram and OK. And this is finished here, and apply the node and apply front plane. When you create the line also, here the point has been created, then here create and OK. Same exit on this, add beam, apply the add beam and point and click this point. Okay, let's go check the dimension here. So calculate, display the dimension, how much dimension, this is 5 mm, this is 5 mm, this is 5, this is 5 and this is 7.07 mm. So when you 5 mm is here, when you create the curvature form here, so remove the display and OK. So when you go from the curvature member, so go to geometry here and apply the beam and look at this 8 curve beam. So when you enter the 8 curve beam, apply this point, select this point and select this point. Here give option how much radial, so 0 angle is gamma, but radial is provide the 2.5 distance and OK. And when you click the 90 degree, if you change the curvature, so 2.5 mm. So it is create in the axis right now and radial angle. So how to do that? First of all, go to here geometry and select curve beam. Minimum curve beam is according to radius here. If you total length is 5 mm, so you cannot provide 2.5 is less than, you cannot give the dimension, you always give the more than according to this line between the radius. So when you click this radius here and click this, when I will not show you the 2.5 because their total length is 5, so when you not provide 2.5, when you provide 2.5 is above, if you provide 3.5, if you provide 4, then go to OK. So look like here, it's make the curvature right. Same thing again, if you create this point and 3.1, when you click this here 3.1 is going to curvature. But if you provide the 90 degree here, same thing 3.1, if you provide the degree is here 90, when you go to exit, so just above side when you create the 90 degree, look it here. So if you create the curvature is very easy form, and when you click the again this point to this point and will be provide the curvature is 4 and 2.6, 2.9, 2.6 and degree is 0 and OK. So this is called curvature. Here is a very easy to create the curvature and make this easy way. If you create the another degree, so when go to 2.6 and degree has been provided 45 and OK. So this is called 45 degree. So today it's how to create the radial curvature. If you select this all body, so like the member here, it is create the curvature and also this is create the curvature. So it's according to member here and select this any curvature form. So very easy to create and line here and curvature. So today's session is complete.